was born to fly and spread these
Hello, Tinay! Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo sana lumaki ka ng mabuting bata at sana ay pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin palagi. Ikaw ang nag-iisang baby namin palagi.
Yeah, baby Tina.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
today will be the day, it all will take nothing, no one's in my way.
Hello, Tinay! Happy birthday! Sana magiging mabait kang bata hanggang paglaki mo. Yun lang, basta magpakabait ka lang ha. Love na love ka ni Lolo.
I was made to dream.
Happy birthday, Athena! I love you. Magpatuloy kang maging mabait na bata at alalahanin at sana maging masaya ka sa life mo at mag-aral kang mabuti, sumunod sa mama at papa. Ayun lang.
Happy birthday!
Today will be the day, it all will take nothing, no one's in my way.
Hello, Tina! Happy birthday! Nawa lumaki kang may takot kay Lord at mabait na bata at maging masunurin ka sa mami at daddy mo at makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral. Yun lang, happy birthday!
This is the day for what I was made. This is the
Hello, Tinay. Birthday message ko sa'yo. Sana huwag mong masyadong stressin yung sarili mo sa pag-aaral. Enjoy lang. Magkaroon ka ng maraming friends. Maging jolly ka as usual. Maging masunurin ka sa amin ng mama mo. Medyo bawasan yung pagsa-cellphone, pero okay naman. Ayun, yung mga homework mo, huwag mong kakalimutan. Saka yung tuwing pag-uwi ka, magbe-bless ka. Alam naman namin na sweet ka palagi. Happy birthday, Tina! Love you, anak!